ABML Morning Update. Enough is enough, says retail, continues to show faith in market helping Nifty 50 surpass precious record close. Global markets. US markets fell on Thursday as a market-wide rally sparked by blockbuster Nvidia results and guidance gave up steam as investors lost hope that the Federal Reserve would cut rates again in December post the NFP data release. Dow Jones slipped 0.84%, the S&P 500 fell 1.56%, and the Nasdaq Composite shed 2.16% as strong morning gains faded into the close. Nvidia's reversal dragged the broader market down even after the company released better-than-expected quarterly results and an upbeat fourth-quarter sales forecast. But concerns about AI stock valuations returned, with investors also pondering the impact on the sector if the Fed doesn't lower interest rates further. Further downward pressure was instilled by a shutdown-delayed September jobs report that showed the economy added 119,000 jobs, more than economists expected. Following the data, the latest Fed funds futures trading showed less than 40% odds that the central bank would cut for a third time this year next month. European markets closed higher on Thursday as investors reacted to strong earnings by AI favorite Nvidia. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on positive note on November 20th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.52% at 85,633, and the Nifty was also up 0.54% at 26,192. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 77 points at 26,145, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's current account deficit is now projected to widen to 1.7% of GDP in FY26, up from 1.2% as global tariff pressures keep the trade deficit high despite soft commodity prices. Festive season demand may add strain, though lower crude prices could partly offset the impact in an economy highly sensitive to oil. Risks remain elevated due to volatile commodities and potential export weakness if the India-US trade deal is delayed. The proposed bilateral trade agreement, expected to cut US tariffs from 50% to around 15 to 16%, could boost India's export competitiveness over time. October's merchandise trade deficit hit a record $41.68 billion, driven by strong festive and wedding-related gold imports. While gold volumes may ease in November, values may stay high given investment demand. However, tariff pressures and trade imbalances continue to weigh on India's external position, though policy developments offer medium-term support. Focus for the day: India PMI, US PMI, UK PMI. Key corporate developments and policy actions. TCS formed a strategic partnership with TPG to jointly invest 18,000 crore rupees in its Hypervault data center subsidiary, marking a major strategic pivot as TCS enters large-scale AI and data center infrastructure. Reliance Industries has announced that it has stopped importing Russian crude oil into its Special Economic Zone or SEZ refinery in Jamnagar, Gujarat, with effect from November 20th. JSW Energy has secured creditor approval and a letter of intent for its resolution plan to acquire Raigarh-Champa rail infrastructure, strengthening control over the rail network that feeds coal to its recently acquired KMPCL power assets, with final closure pending NCLT approval. Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services has entered into an agreement with Biba Fashion Limited. According to the agreement, Zaggle will provide its Zoyer platform to Biba Fashion Limited. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 2.83 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 8.24 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.